Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Cookie Monster from Sesame Street. So first we're going to start with our eyes. So in the center we're just going to draw in a dot. And then we're going to come down leaving quite a big gap and replicate that on the bottom. Now we're going to connect these two together. So starting on the top we're going to curve this line all the way around, bringing that in towards our dot in the middle. And then we're going to replicate that again starting on the bottom, curving this line back around and then down on the side. Now on the left, we're going to start further down, drawing in a small circle for the pupil of the eye. And then we're going to come up on a diagonal and we're going to replicate that on the right. Now as we move in towards the top of both eyes, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our pupil black. Now from here, we're going to come across and we're going to start by drawing in the top of the mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to come over on the right and replicate that. Coming down in the center on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line down and then up on the right. And then in the middle, again, we're just going to curve this line around and then up on the left. We're going to come even further down now, holding in the hand that's holding the cookie that he is eating. So we're going to come down, leaving quite a big gap, and we're just going to draw in an arch line, curving this line around and then in for the top of the hand. And now let's draw in our cookie. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We're going to come across on the right, arching this line back up, ending that at the same height. Now from here in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up, and we're going to do this on both sides, leaving a gap in the center. And then we're going to close this off in the middle with a nice small curved line. Now let's close off the rest of the mouth. So starting on the top, we're going to arch this line down. And then we're going to continue to bring this line underneath, curving this line around and then back in on the side. Let's draw in the chocolate chunks in our cookie. So we're going to draw in a small rectangle on a diagonal. Moving below that, we're going to replicate that, drawing that on its side. We're going to move up, replicating that again. Let's move up above, drawing in one more towards the top. Now let's draw some of the cookie pieces in his mouth. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. We're going to do the same on the right. Moving up above, drawing in a small circle. Underneath, let's draw in a small straight line. And then we're just going to draw in a curved line underneath, closing that off. Let's draw in the rest of the face. On the top, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same thing as we come down on the right. Coming across from that point on the left, arching this line in. Replicating that on the right. We're going to make this bigger as we come down now, curving this line in. And then one last time on the left-hand side, bringing that in towards our cookie. Now on the right-hand side, we're just going to continue to bring these around in a circle motion as we come all the way around and then in towards the middle. For the arm now, we're going to curve this line down and then in. Let's close off the thumb behind the cookie, arching that line down. Now from here, curving this line across. And then we're going to close off the bottom of the arm by just drawing in a nice big arch line, bringing that in towards that corner. Now let's draw in Cookie Monster's body. So as we come over on the right, we're going to curve this line in. From the point, arching this line back in. And then we're going to start in the corner, doing that one more time on the right. Coming in towards the middle, we're just going to draw in a small curved line in the center. Leaving a gap, arching this line up. And then again, one more time as we come around and then in towards the bottom of our arm. Let's focus on our right arm now. So as we come down on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line in. Starting back on this point, let's replicate that. Again, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line back up towards the top. And then now from here, closing off the thumb, we're just going to curve this line back in. Lastly, we're just going to draw in our leg. So we're going to start with the right leg that's on top. So we're going to curve this line down. We're going to curve this line back in, bringing that up. From that point, curving this line around. And then one more time from that corner, arching this line around and then in for the top of the foot. Now from here, we're going to curve this line in. And then from that point, just curving this line out towards our arm. Now let's draw in our left leg. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line up. Starting from that point, curving this line around, back in again. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And that is it. That's how you draw the Cookie Monster from Sesame Street. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.